Okay, this is Saturday, the Saturday before Christmas. We're at the Arroyo Grande Cars and Coffee. So we've got a few army vehicles here. I don't think I've seen that one before. Okay, we've got a lot of Mustang fastbacks today. So we got this blue one just pulled in here. And then there's a Mac one there, a green one, which is really nice. A blue one next to that. We've got a beautiful Corvette here, a lovely colour. Absolutely stunning. And then this one is really nice. Wow, this one is really stunning. Gorgeous inside too. The center console. 4-speed. It's a beautiful Chevy truck there.
And I have coffee in the car in cups.
Such good shape. Wow, that is really nice. Paintwork's great. It's 1946. It's a nice Chevy wagon here, 2-door. I haven't seen this one before here.
I was kind of looking for one. Yeah, I remember those days. It's crazy to be, man. That was money. If you like that, you gotta come and see mine.
Well, this one's a beautiful Ford truck. I haven't seen this here before.
Oh, really?
It's in really good shape. All original by the looks of it. Probably been painted because it's too good, but nice. Nice interior too. I think this one's an old Willys. This is a car you don't see very often. It's a little mini Woody. Don't know if I've ever remember seeing one of these. Wow, that's really, really rare. It's a nice MG Roadster here, in really nice shape. Wow, it's really, really nice. Nice paint. Top looks brand new. nice. Pretty nice Charger. It's in good shape. Haven't seen that one before. Another one you don't see too many of, a Volkswagen pickup.
Running, but the steering wheel was off.
Okay, here we got the new Charger.
But at night it's going to cool down. But not when it doesn't get warm again.
Oh, good, so it'll rain and then just freeze. So the roads are really safe.
Well, yeah, but at least if they get snow, they can put, these days they can push snow really good and, you know, get the main runs.
It's pretty good looking. I think they're electric, I'm not sure.
They had 2 good runs that were, I didn't hit any rocks. I went off on another, hey, let's go down to this one, and that's what happened.
First one I've ever seen.
Yeah.
You might want to I have to do 4 pairs of rocks. I got a pair that's about I need
You know what? It's huge right there. Yeah.
So we've got an electric bug here.
Tesla. Oh, you got a bus. No.
I was talking to the guy last week and he was saying that when he sets up from a set of lights, he can beat most muscle cars. But it's in really great shape too.
Speaking of batteries, on these Tesla cars.
I'm in the El Camino today. Parked next to a Rolls Royce. How about that? Beautiful car that one is.